We can easily connect WooCommerce to BuckyDrop in the following ways. First, in the BuckyDrop admin, go to Stores, WooCommerce, and click Connect Store. Then enter the URL of your WooCommerce store and click Next. Jump to the WooCommerce login page and log into your account. Click Approve to connect your WooCommerce store. We offer a free plan that allows you to fulfill 30 orders and fully enjoy BuckyDrop services and benefits. Select the free plan and click OK to activate your store. Your store has been successfully activated. Click Return to My Store, and you can see the store you've connected. Lastly, you need to go to the WordPress admin to complete a setup step. Go to Settings, Permalinks, and select Post Name as the permalink structure. Well done! You're all set.